Hello, this is the first video of my playlist where I add where I record practical labs for Azure. This is Azure. To understand Azure, you need to understand what is account. Azure in head of all has account. In account can have one or more subscription. Subscription gives you permission to create resources groups and resources. Any VM, SQL database, function or something else, this is resources. Networks also. Resources groups in resource groups and resource groups are in subscription. Subscription is an instrument to share permissions for Azure account. So you can create a subscription for developer, for tester, for DevOps, and exception marketing team. So they have limited and limit what kind of resources and what quantity of resources they can create. So for our labs, we are in Microsoft Learn platform, where you can find learning hands-on labs. So here is video about create account. This is link will be in description. What kind of account is normal account, which you just can create watching this video. Create account and attach your credit card and buy whatever you use for whatever you use. Also, we have a student account. Here it is. Here is description. This account has $100. You don't need a credit card, but you should be student and you need to have school email or student email. You can see this. And other type of account is free account for beginners. Credit to use for the first 30 days, access more than 25 products for free. So you can learn more. Click in this link, and yes, this is account. In my videos, in name, in bracket, I write that requires account. This means student account, free account, and simple account, normal account, which not free, which not student. So other type about sandbox account. This is free account. It use it for labs. Sandbox. It has concierge subscription and it have limited rights. So let's see to our lab. I run sandbox. In each lab you can have 10 sandboxes for day available. So you need activate sandbox. When you activate sandbox, you can navigate to Azure portal. So we are in Azure portal, and you can see that we have subscription. and we have concierge subscription. And here is Learn Sandbox, subscription name, scope, and products. So here is our subscription, and you can have resource groups. It create for us with our subscription learn and UID name. So we have storage account in each account, and you might know that our subscription, concierge subscription, limited in geo, so not every region available for free. For example, West US is available, West Europe, and other. In all exercises you can find description where will be information about this. So this is all, and your sandbox activated for some period of time, which listed here. That's all. Good luck.